Personalized nutrition begins with a simple yet revolutionary truth. Your body ages according to your biology, not according to generic health rules. Scientific institutions like Harvard's T.H. Chan School and Stanford's Center for Longevity confirm that the nutritional impact on aging varies dramatically from person to person. A food that stabilizes glucose in one individual might create an inflammatory spike in another. A diet rich in certain fats may enhance mitochondrial function for some, but accelerate lipid oxidation for others. This is why countless people follow healthy diets, yet continue aging rapidly, gaining weight, losing energy, and experiencing cognitive decline. The problem is not discipline, it's biological mismatch. Personalized nutrition identifies exactly what your cells need to thrive, shifting aging from a passive decline into an active strategy grounded in scientific precision. What makes personalized nutrition so powerful is the growing body of evidence demonstrating that aging is heavily influenced by metabolic stress and inflammatory damage, both of which respond directly to dietary changes tailored to individual biology. Studies from the Buck Institute reveal that when people adapt their diets to their genetic markers, microbiome composition, micronutrient deficiencies, and metabolic behavior, biological age can decrease measurably in weeks. This occurs because personalized intake reduces oxidative damage, stabilizes glucose patterns, supports hormonal balance, and activates cellular pathways responsible for repair. Like a MPK, rather than guessing which foods might support longevity, precision nutrition creates a targeted path that aligns perfectly with your cellular needs, turning each meal into an opportunity for regeneration rather than deterioration. One of the strongest scientific breakthroughs supporting personalized nutrition comes from epigenetic aging research. Advanced studies using DNA methylation clocks, the gold standard for measuring biological age, show that targeted nutrient strategies can reverse aging markers by improving methylation, reducing chronic inflammation, and enhancing detox pathways. These protocols involve precise combinations of micronutrients, plant-based antioxidants, omega-3 ratios, and protein timing individualized for each person. The results are astonishing: increased cognitive sharpness, improved metabolic stability, deeper sleep, and reduced chronic inflammation. People following these personalized interventions often experience a level of vitality they believed lost forever, proving that aging is not merely a countdown but a dynamic process influenced by dietary precision. Gut microbiome science adds another layer to the power of personalization. According to the Weizmann Institute and the Human Microbiome Project, no two people metabolize food in the same way, because no two gut ecosystems are identical. Your microbiome controls inflammation, nutrient absorption, immune defense, neurotransmitter production, and even appetite signals. Personalized nutrition analyzes your gut diversity, pathogenic overgrowth, short-chain fatty acid levels, and digestion markers, allowing precise dietary adjustments that restore balance. As your microbiome strengthens, you experience smoother digestion, increased energy, stable mood, and a slowed pace of cellular aging. A healthy microbiome becomes a biological shield that supports long-term vitality and protects your body from the silent accelerators of aging. Another essential component of personalized nutrition is its influence on metabolic flexibility, the ability of your body to efficiently switch between burning glucose and fat. After age 40, metabolic flexibility naturally declines, increasing the risk of insulin resistance, weight gain, and accelerated aging. Studies from the University of Copenhagen show that personalized nutrient ratios, tailored meal timing, and individual protein distribution restore metabolic flexibility, enabling the body to burn energy cleanly and reduce free radical production. By eliminating foods that destabilize your glucose response and incorporating those that support stable metabolic transitions, personalized nutrition helps your cells operate more efficiently, preserving mitochondria and enhancing your biological resilience against age-related decline. Personalized nutrition also directly addresses chronic inflammation, one of the strongest predictors of accelerated aging. Research from Stanford identifies long-term inflammation as a core driver of cardiovascular disease, cognitive decline, joint degradation, and hormonal imbalance. Through precision testing, individuals learn which foods elevate inflammatory markers like CRP and IL-6. Surprisingly, inflammatory triggers vary enormously between people. Even foods considered universally healthy can create harmful responses depending on one's biology. When inflammatory triggers are removed and replaced with protective phytonutrients tailored to the individual, inflammation decreases rapidly. This shift leads to deeper sleep, improved mobility, increased energy levels, and a measurably slower aging process. Circadian nutrition, eating in alignment with your internal clock, is another key element revealed through personalized approaches. Research from the SACOC Institute shows that aligning meal timing with hormonal patterns enhances metabolic performance, supports cellular repair, reduces inflammation, and improves insulin sensitivity. Precision nutrition identifies whether an early or late eating window is more beneficial for your biology, optimizing fat oxidation, glucose control, and digestive efficiency. Instead of rigid rules, the focus becomes biological harmony, eating when your body is primed to absorb nutrients and fasting when your repair system is most active. This science-driven synchrony is a powerful longevity tool that generic diets fail to deliver. The influence of personalized nutrition extends beyond physical aging and powerfully impacts mental performance. UCLA's Division of Nutritional Neuroscience found that tailored nutrient intake enhances neurotransmitter balance, stabilizes cortisol responses, and improves emotional resilience. Nutrients like DHA, B vitamins, choline, magnesium, and polyphenols all play unique roles in cognition, but the amounts and timing required vary dramatically between individuals. When your brain receives precisely what it needs, clarity increases, memory sharpens, stress tolerance improves, and cognitive aging slows. Personalized nutrition doesn't just keep your body young. It sustains the mental sharpness that allows you to enjoy a long life fully. Modern longevity clinics increasingly rely on real-time data to guide personalized nutrition. Tools like continuous glucose monitors, metabolic panels, gut sequencing, and micronutrient testing reveal how your body responds to each meal. This awareness becomes transformative. You quickly identify foods that drain your energy, disrupt digestion, trigger cravings, or destabilize mood. As you replace these foods with those that support your unique biology, the shift is immediate. Stable energy, clearer thinking, better sleep, smoother digestion, improved mood, and a younger biological age. Personalized nutrition stops being a theory. It becomes a daily experience of increased vitality. In the end, personalized nutrition is not a luxury reserved for advanced research centers. It is the future of health for anyone who wants to live longer, stronger, and with greater clarity. It empowers you to eat in harmony with your biology, not in conflict with it. Instead of guessing what might work, you follow a path grounded in measurable data and scientific precision. This is how you extend life, not by chasing trends, but by understanding what your unique body needs to age slowly, recover deeply, and thrive for decades. Personalized nutrition transforms longevity from a hope into a strategy, making each meal a step toward a longer, healthier life.